Hello, this is Steve from Beato's Leatherworks. The time has come where I must start this project and finish it. So here we go. What you laughing at, boy? Oh, that's my boy over there laughing at me.
Hello.
They didn't hear you.
Hello.
Hello. Alright, here goes nothing. So first we disassemble as much as we can. What I'm doing is I'm removing the liner inside all the way around so I can get to the French binding. So we want to save this piece. I want to get these numbers. I want to see if I can imprint it on the new lining. That way the customer still knows what he has. Alright. So once that lining is off, we can focus on this binding right here, which is that piece. I'm going to put a new one from about here all the way around to here. But first we've got to replace the side piece with all the broguing. Alright, so we got the side pieces apart. Lining's out. And this is the new piece that we'll work on right here. Got the broguing done. Now I've got to do the pinking pattern right here. And then we'll continue assembly. Alright, welcome back, and we're done with this project. It's funny how different angles the leather looks a little lighter than the original, but when you look at it from another view, the color blends in pretty good. It has different hues to it. But you know what? It's not bad. I think it's a presentable job. Is it the best I've done? I mean, actually, this is the first time I've done something like this, so I don't have anything else to compare it to. I'm not really too crazy about the back, how it turned out. I would have liked to replace that whole one back piece, but unfortunately it's tucked into the welt, and I didn't really want to disassemble the entire bottom sole welt just for that small piece. Could I have done a little better? I think I would have been able to bring it all the way to the edge. Maybe it would have looked a bit more presentable, but you know what? It's much better than what it was, that's for sure. And the customer, I think he'll be able to wear it. So I'm glad you joined me on this video. We'll see you again next time. Take care.